Okay, this is the video of 2012 exhaust, the Scion XD. This is it removed up on the shelf. In case I have to sell the car or something, put it back on. There's 2 bolts and a couple hangers. And I was looking online for an exhaust, and they were, like $300 and stuff like that. I didn't want to pay that much. And so right here, you just 2 bolts, the spring bolts, you take them off with the flange, and there's like a 1-inch protrusion between the 2 flanges, enough to bolt on this 90-degree 1 3/4 and 90-degree elbow, and then this 18-inch straight pipe, and then here we have the 45-degree elbow. These are all 1 3/4. It's $6, $6 is 18. 3 clamps, $2 each. Another $6. That's $24. And there you have an exhaust for 2012 Scion XD. It might not be very pretty, but it sounds tight. Here, let me crank it up for you. Let me leave this right here. Shoot, should have got a better stand. Damn it. I'm going to turn it sideways so don't get dizzy. Okay. Here it goes. Ready? What do you think? Pretty tight for $25 or so. That's how it looks from outside. Little easy little pipe. But it sounds good. Sounds as good as a Watanabe, I guess. Thanks. $25 exhaust for Scion XD.